Dallas homeowners know just how intense Texas heat can get. From scorching summer afternoons to warm fall evenings, keeping your home comfortable without skyrocketing energy bills can feel like a constant challenge. While many homeowners focus on windows, insulation, or HVAC upgrades, one often overlooked improvement can make a surprisingly big difference: energy-efficient entry doors. Modern, well-built entry doors do far more than boost curb appeal. They play a major role in maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures and improving energy efficiency throughout your home. Here's how upgrading your entry door can help keep your Dallas home cool, comfortable, and cost-efficient all year long. Superior insulation that blocks heat transfer. Traditional or older entry doors often lack proper insulation, allowing heat from outside to seep into your home. In Dallas, where temperatures can climb quickly, this means your air conditioner has to work overtime. Energy-efficient entry doors solve this problem with high-density polyurethane foam cores that provide excellent insulation. Thermally efficient materials like fiberglass or insulated steel multi-layer construction that keeps outdoor heat where it belongs, outside. These features significantly reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay naturally cooler even during peak summer heat. Tight seals and weather stripping prevent air leaks. A major source of energy loss in Dallas homes is air leaks around old or poorly fitted entry doors. Even small gaps can allow hot air to enter and cool air to escape, making it harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Energy-efficient entry doors come equipped with reinforced weather-stripping durable seals designed to resist shrinking and cracking, precision-fitted frames that eliminate gaps, adjustable thresholds for a secure, airtight closure. With better sealing, your home stays cooler for longer, and your HVAC system runs more efficiently. Advanced materials withstand Dallas heat. Entry doors made from wood or lower-grade materials can warp, crack, or expand in Dallas's extreme temperatures, creating gaps that reduce energy efficiency. Modern energy-efficient doors are made from heat-resistant materials such as fiberglass, which resists warping, swelling, and heat damage; steel with thermal breaks, designed to block heat transfer; composite materials, which offer long-lasting durability. These sturdy materials maintain their shape and performance year-round, providing ongoing energy savings. Solar reflective glass options reduce heat gain. If your entry door includes a glass insert, energy-efficient models are designed to let in light without raising indoor temperatures. They often feature low E, low emissivity coatings to reflect infrared heat; double or triple pane glass for insulation; tinted or reflective glass to block UV rays; gas-filled panes that slow heat transfer. This creates a bright entryway without the heat gain typical of older doors with basic glass. Lower utility bills all year long. By preventing heat from entering and keeping cool air inside, energy-efficient entry doors help reduce the workload on your HVAC system. This leads to noticeable monthly savings, especially during Dallas's long summer season. Long-term benefits include lower cooling costs, reduced strain on your HVAC system, fewer repairs and longer equipment lifespan, more stable indoor temperatures over time. The energy savings alone can offset much of the investment in a high-quality replacement door. Improved indoor comfort. Every season, even though Dallas is known for heat, winters can bring chilly nights. Energy-efficient entry doors provide year-round benefits by also blocking drafts and keeping warm air inside during cooler months. You'll enjoy more consistent indoor temperatures, elimination of hot spots or cold drafts, a more comfortable environment for your family whether it's July or January. A well-insulated door keeps your home feeling just right. Added home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient entry doors aren't just functional, they're also stylish. Available in a wide range of colors, textures, and designs, they can dramatically elevate your home's exterior appearance while increasing resale value. Final thoughts: energy-efficient entry doors are one of the smartest upgrades Dallas homeowners can make. With superior insulation, weather-resistant materials, airtight seals, and modern glass technologies, these doors help keep your home cool, comfortable, and energy efficient all year long. As utility costs continue to rise, Investing in a high-quality entry door delivers comfort today and savings for years to come.